The results have been remarkably positive, that the blood pressure has been lower and also the amount of collagen in the heart has been less.
Excess collagen around heart cells can harden cell walls. Powerful antioxidants in the ginger punch surround the cells, creating a protective barrier which repels collagen.
Scientists are stunned that his simple mixture of everyday grocery items has a 100% strike rate in killing 3 types of cancer cells.
It's called Ginger Punch, a cordial concoction that could revolutionise prostate cancer research.
Yeah, it's been like a dream come true.
Brisbane winemaker Greg Jardine spent 2.5 years refining his product before sending it to the Prostate Cancer Research Group at the University of Sydney. They were open-minded, albeit a little sceptical, when he told them the cordial could kill cancer cells.
I think our knowledge should be evidence-based, not belief-based. So I said, yeah, we will do the testing for you.
Sure enough, the Ginger Punch delivered a knockout blow, a 100% kill rate on all 3 types of prostate cancer cells. Dr. Dong was so shocked, he repeated the test twice. Only then did he really believe that it works. But why?
That I don't know. But even now, we still don't know why these products actually kill cancer cells.
The cordial's creator says the answer is a perfect blend of all natural ingredients available from any supermarket.
The Asian ones like ginger, turmeric, also green tea are anti-inflammatory, and we think they make the cancer cells vulnerable, and then we turn a self-destruction gene on with the other antioxidants.
So far, the Ginger Punch has only killed cancer cells here in the laboratory. The next step is to test it on animals and then human trials. Those studies will determine whether the cordial can be used as a genuine treatment. The prostate cancer survivors, like 94-year-old Henry Pearce, are already on board.
It's done me a world of good, and it's still doing me a world of good.
For more information, go to drred.com.au. Dan Nolan, 10 News.
A local winery has been bombarded by demand for its Ginger Punch. The cordial has shown some remarkable health benefits and has forced a major expansion for its Mount Nebo makers.
John Stevens swears by Ginger Punch since he started drinking it last month following treatment for prostate cancer.
I feel like a new man already, and whereas I've been suffering for years upon years with this prostate problem, now I'm getting sleep.
And he's not the only one. Demand for the cordial has skyrocketed, and now the Little Mount Nebo winery is undergoing expansion. New, larger vats, bottling systems and more staff preparing the ingredients like ginger and olive leaves. They currently fill 150 bottles a week, but pretty soon they'll do that in an hour.
Our stock levels got depleted, I think, within the first hour of it being announced. But we're moving forward, we're expanding our facilities, but it has been an overwhelming response.
University of Sydney tests have indicated the cordial is highly effective in killing all 3 types of prostate cancer cells. More tests are now underway. Early signs of prostate cancer can be trouble urinating, frequent or painful urination, especially at night. And the problem can persist even if radiation therapy is successful, as the prostate remains enlarged, something John Stevens was too familiar with.
Of course, it disturbed my sleep, and I was just not getting anywhere.
But creator Greg Jardine stops short of calling it a cure.
We are food scientists, not medical professionals, and I think the first priority is people, must not bypass the medical system with regards to chronic illness.
Good health, beautiful.
Max Futcher, 10 News.
Now, to find out more about the prostate drink, call this number, 07 3289 5111. That's 3289 5111, or go to drred.com.au.
We're just becoming aware that nutrition is medicine and that food is medicine, and this is just one example of that.
It's possible that this could be fast-tracked as a treatment for cancer.
Test tube trials at the University of Sydney have found it kills 100% of prostate and bladder cancer cells. The concentration of antioxidants block fats called omega-6 from entering healthy cells, often triggering cancer. Omega-6 is found in vegetable oils, meat and dairy products, and most of us consume far too much.
Extraordinary reaction to a recent story about a natural ginger punch which has been found to kill prostate cancer cells. There seems to be no end to its potential. New studies have found it can also prevent heart disease.
It's created from a bizarre concoction of ingredients like orange peel, ginger, 5-day-old sprouts, olive leaf and green tea. It packs quite a punch. The latest benefits have followed studies on animals by Queensland University scientists.
The results have been remarkably positive, that the blood pressure has been lower and also the amount of collagen in the heart has been less.
Excess collagen around heart cells can harden cell walls. Powerful antioxidants in the ginger punch surround the cells, creating a protective barrier which repels collagen.
But the fact we actually had a result with antioxidants with blood pressure is really what's got us all excited.
Previous test tube trials have found the punch kills off prostate cancer cells. Following that success, its Queensland manufacturers are now trialling the taste in the US. The punch contains ingredients from the Mediterranean and Asian diets. Essentially, it takes the best of the East and the West and corks it all up in a bottle. It will soon be tested on diabetes, other cancers and even bird flu. A bottle of ginger punch enough for 15 days retails for $28. Selected health shops sell it. You can also buy it over the internet. Melody Horrell, 7.
Just 10 k's from the heart of the city centre, the Brisbane suburb of The Gap gives way to a lovely mountain drive. I'm on my way up to Mount Nebo, which is about a 30-minute run from the CBD, and there's a winery up this way that I've been keen to try out. Now, I'm not heading this way just because I'm short a few bottles. I'm here because Brisbane's Vineyard is building a reputation for its health-giving concoctions. And top of my list to try is Dr. Red, an antioxidant-rich wine. That's the baby of biochemist turned winemaker Greg Jardine.
We acknowledge that the goodness of the Mediterranean diet, so we actually went and grabbed our olive leaf and made olive leaf extract, citrus skins, extracts from raspberries, and we formulated all that into the wine.
So, Greg, what does it taste like?
It's up for you to decide.
Okay. Is there more alcohol in there?
Just a tad.
I can taste it. Greg also has a few other tasty potions that are creating much excitement in the scientific and medical communities. Now, this really isn't your run-of-the-mill vineyard. They've also created a non-alcoholic ginger punch by putting together the antioxidants from the Mediterranean diet with a bunch of anti-inflammatories from the Asian diet. So this little drink here has been proven to kill 100% of prostate cancer cells in a lab situation. Here's to your good health.
The all-natural potion has been found to kill off prostate and bladder cancer cells.
It used to be a product that nippies threw away, but orange peel has a new role. It's one of a dozen ingredients in this non-alcoholic ginger punch, which also contains 5-day-old sprouts, turmeric, green tea, grape skins and olive leaf.
The concentrate that's based on the Asian active ingredients and the Mediterranean active ingredients, mainly focusing on antioxidants and anti-inflammatory capability. It's possible that this could be fast-tracked as a treatment for cancer.
Test tube trials at the University of Sydney have found it kills 100% of prostate and bladder cancer cells. The concentration of antioxidants block fats called omega-6 from entering healthy cells, often triggering cancer. Omega-6 is found in vegetable oils, meat and dairy products, and most of us consume far too much.
And we're just becoming aware that nutrition is medicine and that food is medicine, and this is just one example of that.
Prostate cancer patient Michael Phillips has been drinking the punch for 2 months. He's already noticed results.
But even after the first 2 weeks, I find my energy level has increased.
One bottle costs $28 and makes enough to last 15 days. Trials are about to start on other cancers.
Breast, colon, stomach and pancreatic cancer.